Hi Snapchat. So I'm about to make some plantain. So you would need plantains, your eggs, Maggi, pepper and salt. So anyway guys, let's get started. Gang. I love cooking so much, so guys, I'll bring you along with me. Hi mom, I'm about to make plantain now. Do I need to rinse the plantain before cutting it, or because I'm confused? Oh, okay, I should just, yeah, but do I peel the plantain and then rinse it and then cut it, or I don't know how to fry plantain. Come on. Okay, I should slice the plantain. Okay. Alright, thank you mom. What did she say again? I'll just wing it. Don't win.
Esther on the track.
It's your new pepper. If your finance was my teacher, I will never ever miss school. Even if I be a lodo, I go play the flying colors. You make me do what I usually don't. When I'm sick, you're my healer. Even when I'm out of breath, you already know.
Esther, food is done. Come on. Yeah? Is this mine?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me just taste it, okay? Let me just taste it. No more. The texture is quite. Let me take another one. Let me. I'm trying to get the flavor.
It's okay now.
I still can't. Just finish it. Finish it, not say.